When it comes to drones that never seem to lose their charm or fall out of trend, the DJI Mini series always stands tall. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a casual flyer, the appeal of a lightweight, travel-friendly drone that packs advanced features and solid performance is hard to ignore. And for years, the Mini lineup has been the go-to choice for travelers and creators alike. Now, excitement is already building for the next chapter, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If rumors are true, this highly anticipated sub-250-gram drone could be hitting the skies as early as this summer, with July being the most likely launch window, according to some trusted voices in the drone community. But here's the real question. Should you hold off for the Mini 5 Pro, or is the Mini 4 Pro still worth sticking with? Let's break it down. One of the biggest reasons DJI's mini drones are so popular is their ultra-lightweight design. At under 249 grams, these drones let you skip the hassle of FAA registration and certification in many regions, all while delivering pro-level performance. DJI has mastered the art of fitting big features into small packages, making the Mini series an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Of course, the market isn't short on lightweight drones these days, and many of them offer solid performance at more affordable prices. So for the Mini 5 Pro to stand out, DJI is going to have to deliver some real game-changing features. And from the leaks so far, it looks like they're aiming to do just that. One of the most exciting rumors involves the addition of a LiDAR sensor, a feature teased by a well-known tipster on X. If true, this could take obstacle avoidance and subject tracking to an entirely new level, offering pinpoint precision whether you're following a moving person or navigating tight spaces. Another handy upgrade appears to be a redesigned landing system, which includes precision sensors and an LED ground light. This feature will help improve landing accuracy, especially in low-light conditions, a welcome boost for new pilots who want a safer and more confident flying experience. But the real headline might be in the camera department. According to reports from Drone XL, the Mini 5 Pro could come equipped with a 1-inch camera sensor, a huge step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1 by 1.3-inch sensor. That means sharper images, better dynamic range, and improved performance in challenging lighting conditions. Alongside the sensor upgrade, DJI is also rumored to introduce a reimagined gimbal system. This new design would allow for unrestricted camera rotation, including vertical shooting, which is perfect for social media creators. Even more impressively, the camera might tilt straight upward, unlocking creative aerial perspectives that were previously out of reach for miniseries pilots. And if that wasn't enough, battery life is also getting a major bump. Early reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro could offer an incredible 50 minutes of maximum flight time, letting you explore farther and film longer than ever before. All things considered, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. If DJI can deliver all these upgrades while keeping the price around the familiar $999 mark, this could easily become the best value for money drone of 2025. So what do you think? Are you holding out for the Mini 5 Pro, or does another DJI model have your attention? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in tech.